Alright, so the first cold start attempt failed. There was wind noise. So we're going to redo it. We're going to cold start it again. We're going to cold start the GE again, this time in -4 degrees. So it's quite a bit colder out, and I want to see if there's any difference from the 2 degree cold start that we did. So if you guys think there are going to be any differences, go ahead and feel free to put something in the comments below what you think, if there's going to be any difference or not. So there's the GE, and here we go. Cold start in 3, 2, 1. It's already getting cold. Alright, there we go. That was GE doing a second cold start. First one we had too much wind noise. I was gonna try to get the compressor, but then of course it got the wind stream, so that caused a little bit of a problem there. So a lot of people know the theory: don't run an engine when it's cold out, because the lubrication is different. Well, there are many times where I've ran engines in the cold, and it worked just fine. So that just goes to show that the theory of an engine, of not being able to run an engine in the cold, it depends on the environment and also the type of oil you use. Now in an HVAC system, it's kind of similar. You know, the compressor consists of oil, which lubricates the compressor itself, which allows it to run freely. Now, if the compressor oil is thicker, it's going to lubricate differently. So in the video description, I'm going to put a link to Jordan Yu's video of him cold starting his Frigidaire 10,000 BTU air conditioner, where he did a cold start at 27 degrees, and I did a cold start at -4 degrees. And to show you just how cold it is outside my house right now, I'm going to show you what's on the weather, what it says on the weather station. Look at that, that's cold. -4 degrees we're looking at right there. That is insane. So that just goes to show how cold it is outside. You know, it's -4 degrees, as you just saw on my weather station. It's insane. So, overall, sometimes it's okay to cold start an air conditioner in the winter. Now, as I said before, I don't know if you guys watched the video yet of our upcoming experiment this morning, where we're going to be cold starting the weather wheel. You know, we're going to do the weather wheel's first ever cold start for 2023. So I'm really looking forward to that. You know, we're going to do our first ever cold start on it this year. And, you know, because the past 2 times we've been able to run it, it was actually quite warm out. So we're going to try a cold start on the weather wheels, or on the weather wheel. So, if you guys haven't seen that video already, there's your heads up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And we'll see you for the weather wheel cold start. Goodbye.